In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in InfinityFree. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to select your account. So go to hosting accounts, select the account. I'm just going to select this one over here. And then from here, you can see your domains. For me, I have only one, and you can click on add domain. And this is where you can add a subdomain. So as you can see here, there we go. It's like a subdomain here. I can go and click on add subdomain and name it whatever I want. So for example, I'm just going to do instant pizza, and I'm going to do 123 for this example. I'm going to click on create domain. I'm going to leave this as infinityfree.me, click on create domain, and this will create a subdomain for my specific site. Okay, so if I go back to overview over here, you'll be able to see, there we go, I now have two separate domains. I have this one and I have this one as well, and I can click on view site, there we go, and it's going to take me there. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.